Adivekar. Sir, let me call upon Dr. G.S. Shankarling, Course Coordinator of Perfumery and Flavor Technology, to present the Master of Technology in Perfumery and Flavor candidates, Professor Dr. G.S. Shankarling.
I, Dr. G.S. Shankarling, Course Coordinator for Perfumery and Flavor Technology, would call the Master of Technology in Perfumery and Flavor candidates. Kirti Chavan, Swapnesh Keni, Lakan Lalai. Ms. Neha Vibhute will receive her degree in absentia.
Thank you, Dr. Shankarling. Sir, let me call upon Professor U.S. Annapure, Head of the Department of Food Engineering and Technology, to present the Master of Technology in Food Engineering and Technology candidates. Professor U.S. Annapure, please.
I, Professor U.S. Annapure, Head of the Department Food Engineering and Technology, would call the Master of Technology in Food Engineering and Technology candidates, Sai Sri Ganeshan, Gold Medalist, Pooja Banerjee, Nikhil Kulkarni, Swapnil Mari, Monali Patil, Harsha Pore, Shubham Sadhu, Ajay Pathade.
Thank you, Professor Annapure. Sir, let me call upon Dr. Lakshmi Anand Narayan, Course Coordinator of the Food Biotechnology, to present the Master of Technology in Food Biotechnology candidates. Dr. Lakshmi Anand Narayan, please.
I, Dr. Lakshmi Anantanarayan, Course Coordinator of the Food Biotechnology, would call the following Master of Technology in Food Biotechnology candidates to get their degrees in Presentia. Mayuri Bagul, Pravesh Chaube, Akshay Gharde, Hanni Girdar, Abhishek Gupta, Mitali Kapoor, Sneha Kusmode, Megha Nimbalkar, Saili Sawant, Rishabdev Sinha, Preeti Wagh. The following students will be collecting their degrees in absentia: Lav Kumar Bansal and Rachana Pathak. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi. Sir, let me call upon Professor P.R. Vavia, In charge Head, Department of Oils, Oleochemical and Surfactant Technology, to present the Master of Technology in Oils, Oleochemical and Surfactant Technology candidate. I, Professor Vavia, In charge Head, the Department of Oils, Oleochemical and Surfactant Technology, would call the Master of Technology in Oils, Oleochemical and Surfactant Technology candidate, Payal Butada, Yogesh Chaudhary, Kirti Datir, Swatej Raj Dage, Ashish Gadave, Gandhar Bole, Ganesh Devsarkar, Rupesh Golewar. The following candidate will receive the degree in absentia: Rohan Mestri, Amol Wagmode, Amit Kumar Mishra. Sir, let me call upon Professor R.N. Jagtap, Head of the Department of Polymer and Surface Engineering, to present Master of Technology in Polymer Engineering Technology candidate. Professor R.N. Jagtap, please.
I, Professor R.N. Jagtap, Head of the Department of Polymer and Surface Engineering, would call the Master of Technology in Polymer Engineering and Technology candidate, Amit Gowde. Vinayak Kamble, Vijay Kapse, Parth Kapoor, Swapnil Kokate, Siddhant Bhausar, Devendra Sonavne, and Rakhi Sonsure. And the following candidates will receive the degree in absentia are Akash Dongre, Arjit Gadge, Pooja Gawal, Alpesh Wala, Tyagi Chauhan.
Thank you, Professor Jagtap. Sir, let me call upon Professor R.N. Jagtap, Head of the Department of Polymer and Surface Engineering, to present the Master of Technology in Surface Coating Technology candidate. Professor R.N. Jagtap, please.
I, Professor R.N. Jagtap, Head of the Department of Polymer and Surface Engineering, would call the Master of Technology in Surface Coating Technology to receive the degree in presentia are Nikita Mahadeshwar, Pradnya Rane, Sushmit Rithe, Madhav Vastani, Nakula Bhutad, Sushil Patil, and Sahil Pinzari.
Sir, let me call upon Professor Jagtap, Head of the Department of Polymer and Surface Engineering, to present the Master of Technology in Surface Coating Technology.
We did it.
Done. Thank you. Sir, let me call upon Dr. S.B. Kale, Course Coordinator of Bioprocess Technology, to present the Master of Technology in Bioprocess Technology candidates. Professor Dr. S.B. Kale.
I, Dr. Sandeep B. Kale, Course Coordinator of Bioprocess Technology, would call the Master of Technology candidates. Following candidates will receive their degree in presentia: Ashutosh Aher, Dhwani Damani, Rahul Dani, Daniel DeMilo, Messner Fernandez, Mansi Gandhi, Mansi Inamdar, Kshitija Zafalekar, Abhijit Kamble, Sachin Karande, Abhijit Lambe, Ronak Malde, Prashant Munde, Vikas Nakate, Nilesh Namdas, Anaga Naule, Shilpa Sagwal, Manoj Salve, Saurav Singh, Gaurav Singh, Vishwajit Singh, Sneha Velani, Vijay Yadav, Shivprasad Somonshi, Irfan Sheikh, Shraddha Srinath, Ajinkya Wagmare. Following candidate will receive the degree in absentia: Hemant Parmar.
Thank you, Dr. Kale. Sir, let me call upon Professor R.V. Jairam, Course Coordinator of Green Technology, to present the Master of Technology in Green Technology candidates. Professor R.V. Jairam.
I, Professor Radhavi Jairam, Course Coordinator of Green Technology, would call the Master of Technology in Green Technology candidates: Prachi Bangade, Pratap Bosle, Amaya Bole, Laukik Donde, Ankita Galgali, Girish Ghosh, Saili Indurkar, Jagruti Jadhav, Sappana Kukade, Purna Pai, Vijay Patil, Rajshi Pawar, Sonali Pawar, Mohini Sable, Neha Sanke, Prashant Savashe, Zulkif Sheikh, Pooja Tanna, Shubhra Verma, Praneeth Vyas, Mayur Valvadkar, Jyotika Sane, Supriya Kolekar. The following candidates would receive their degree in absentia: Munni Bhattacharya, Akshay Sahane, Mayur Shitole, and Siddharth Singh.
Thank you, Professor Jairam. May I now request Professor Jairam, the course coordinator and the head of the Department of Chemistry, to present the Master of Science in Chemistry candidate, Professor R.V. Jairam.
I, Professor Radha Jairam, Head Department of Chemistry, would call the Master of Science in Chemistry candidates. Aishwarya Anerao, Vimal Kumar Atri, Pooja Aire, Neeta Bhatt, Ujjwal Bojane, Uday Chandan Shive, Divya Chenna, Akshay Gaikwad, Riddhi Golwankar, Princey Kennedy, Shweta Pawar, Mayur Sagar, Kshama Sawant, Giri Shah, Preeti Singh, and Preksha Zaveri. The following candidates would receive their degree in absentia: Naveen Balera, Denver De Silva, Priyanka Gajbiye, Rohit Bodpagar, Amit Kumar, and Ruchira Pereira.
Thank you, Professor Jairam. Sir, let me call upon Dr. A.K. Sahu, head of the Department of Mathematics, to present the Master of Science in Engineering Mathematics. Dr. A.K. Sahu, please.
I, Dr. A.K. Sahu, Head of the Department of Mathematics, would call the Master of Science in Engineering Mathematics candidates: Ashwini, Shyamali Korande, Indubati Kushwaha, Ujjwala Kushwaha, Yogini Matre, Neha Nagda, Sarita Panda, Vinita Sarode. The following students will receive the degree in absentia: Zora Khatun Khan.
Thank you, Dr. Sahu. Sir, let me call upon Dr. V.R. Gawal, head of the Department of General Engineering, to present the Master of Engineering in Plastic Engineering candidate. Dr. V.R. Gawal, please.
I, Dr. V.R. Gawal, Head of the Department of General Engineering, would call the Master of Engineering in Plastic Engineering candidates: Ravindra Pardesi. And following students will receive their degrees in absentia: Vishwa Dodia, Akshay Kori, Pooja Misal, and Sunil Patel.
Thank you, Dr. Gawal. Honorable Mr. Chancellor, pursuant to the recommendation of the Academic Council to confer the postgraduate diploma, I present to you 7 candidates who have been examined duly and found qualified for the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management. I pray that this candidate may be admitted to the respective diploma. On behalf of those who have been permitted to receive their postgraduate diploma in absentia, I pray that they also be admitted thereto.
In my capacity as the Chancellor of this institute, I hereby grant the request made by the Dean Academic Program and request the Vice Chancellor to confer upon the candidates the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management on 7 candidates in person and in absentia.
Thank you. Sir, let me call upon Professor S.S. Bhagwat, course coordinator of the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management, would call the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management candidates. Professor S.S. Bhagwat.
I, Professor S.S. Bhagwat, course coordinator of the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management, would call the postgraduate diploma in Chemical Technology Management candidates. First, Karan Devulkar, gold medalist. Sahil Kulkarni, Arati More, Bhumika Patil, Ashish Shezale, Ajinkya Trimukhe, Snehal Yedurkar.
Thank you, Professor Bhagwat. Honorable Mr. Chancellor, pursuant to the recommendation of the Academic Council to confer the doctorate degree, I present to you 89 candidates who have been examined duly and found qualified for the doctorate degree in science and technology. I pray that these candidates may be admitted to the respective degrees. On behalf of those who have been permitted to receive the degrees in absentia, I pray that they also be admitted thereto. In addition, 3 doctoral degree will be conferred by University of Mumbai.
In my capacity as the Chancellor of this institute, I hereby grant the request made by the Dean Academic Programs and request the Vice Chancellor to confer upon the candidates the doctorate degree on 89 candidates in person and in absentia. In addition, 3 doctoral degrees will be conferred by University of Mumbai.
Thank you, sir. Sir, may I request Professor B.N. Thorath, Head of the Department of Chemical Technology, to present the Doctor of Philosophy in Chemical Engineering candidate, Professor B.N. Thorath.
I, Professor B.N. Thorath, Head of Department of Chemical Engineering, would call the Doctor of Philosophy, Technology in Chemical Engineering candidates. The following student will receive their degree in Presentia. Gautaman, Sachin Jadhav, Satish Kabra, Lalit